Have you ever sat in a math class and wondered, why are we even learning this? If this question isn't answered, then maths will continually seem pointless. In this video, I'll detail 3 reasons why the skill of multiplying fractions is needed in maths and where it is used in the real world. Starting with this scenario. Imagine you wanted to plant one of your favorite plants in your backyard garden. You need to know the exact area to know if there'll be enough room for it to grow. Here are the measurements of the garden bed. Since the shape is a rectangle, to find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the base and the height. So how many square meters does the area consist of? Pause the video and give it a go. Completing the calculation, we get option C. If you didn't know how to do this, don't worry, my next video I'll go through exactly how to do this. Fractions are seen everywhere in the real world, and here are some examples. So reason number 1, continue multiplying numbers when they aren't whole. Next, I want to talk about a skill that everyone will need in their life: cooking and manipulating recipes. Imagine if you needed to triple a recipe that requires 3/4 of a cup of flour. You would need to multiply 3 by 3/4 to find out exactly how much flour is needed for the new recipe. The new skill of multiplying fractions is needed. So reason number 2, scaling and resizing. Next, when you level up in maths, you start seeing algebra more and more. Remember, algebra is the superpower that allows us to continue working with maths when we can't see the numbers. If we had the following expression and needed to simplify it, and to be a further pain, we can't use a calculator, since we don't know what the value of x actually is. The only resolution to simplify this is to rely on our foundational skills of multiplying fractions. And these algebraic expressions are used heavily in the fields of science and engineering, solving tasks such as calculating dilutions in chemistry, scaling blueprints in construction, analyzing complex electrical circuits with resistors, and many more. So reason number 3, needed for algebraic manipulation. You now know why you need this skill. However, you won't be able to apply this properly until you learn all the details needed for multiplying fractions. Watch this next video to get the best visual demonstration of the skill.